In this video, I'll show you how to test a Stripe integration using test keys step by step. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. Now, enable test mode, usually shown at the top of the page. With test mode enabled, go to the Developers section. Now click API keys. Here you will see the test keys, including the test publishable key and secret key. Copy these test keys. Now go to your project or application where Stripe is configured. Replace the live keys with the test keys. After that, save the changes. Now perform a test payment. You can use test card numbers provided by Stripe. For example, a standard Stripe test card. After testing, check if the payment appears in the Stripe dashboard.